Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in this video I'm going to be trying out the trending butterfly gele. See, I want to use the costume for my tomorrow's video, okay, but I thought let me just carry you guys along as I tie the gele, okay. And I know most of you will like, to watch this video. And guys, fun fact, this is the first time I'll be trying out this gele since I watched the video, the tutorial on how to tie this butterfly gele. I have not tried it before. This will be the first time in front of the camera, okay. So let's see how it goes. Now I have my gele here and I have pin, so I'll just go ahead and tie the gele. So the rule here is make sure one hand is longer than the other, okay. I told you one hand should be longer than the other. So I'll go ahead and tie. So guys, after you are done tying your gele like this, then you come back to this long hand. Now the width of this gele is too long for me, so I'll go ahead and fold it into two, just like this. We fold into two. So I'm done folding it into two. Then you come here and you start pleating as if you want to make a bow. So arrange the bow properly. Then you come back to this end and you fold it as well. After folding it, you bring it inside like this. See, I'm using a quick method. You are supposed to tie it first at the middle, but I don't want to do it that way. I want to secure everything together. Then you come back to this shorter hand, then you twist. If you want to twist it, you can twist it. If you don't want it twisted, you can just arrange it properly like that. I'm going to be twisting mine. So you twist it. So after you are done twisting it, you just use it to secure the bowl at the center like this. Then you tuck this in. There's an opening at the center here. Just tuck it in. You secure this one with pin. So guys, after you are done securing the gele at the middle like this, you come back and arrange your bow. Just add finishing touches to your gele and you are done. So guys, this is the final look of my gele. Let me show you guys the back. Yeah, I want you guys to rate the gele in the comment section, and remember, be nice with your rating, okay? This is the first time I'll be trying this gele. I have never tried it before. Okay, this is the first time, so be nice when you are rating this gele in the comment section, okay? So this is where I'll be ending today's video. I'll see you guys with my full attire in my next video. Bye guys.